Matrix Pillow. Choosing the right pillow for a deep night of sleep can be very difficult with so many options on the market. However, the Matrix Pillow brings pillow technology into the future, giving you the perfect pillow no matter what side of your body you may sleep on. This pillow will self-adjust to any sleeping position. It is super comfortable and supportive without being too hard. Its unique cooling structure allows you to stay cool at night without turning your pillow over or adjusting it. This pillow can help relieve neck and back pain instantly with just one night of use. It will even help you to stop snoring, tossing and turning all night, potentially disturbing your partner. You can help extend your cycles of deep sleep by up to 2 hours while remaining cool and calm at night.